What's up everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to set up TP-Link Wi-Fi range extender. Firstly, plug the extender into a power outlet near your router. The power LED will blank white when it's starting, then turn solid blue once ready. For Android, go to Google Play Store and download the Tether app, which lets you manage your TP-Link devices. Open it and log in with your TP-Link ID. Don't have one? Create a TP-Link ID, it's easy. Now tap on the My Devices screen, select Range Extender as your device type and plug in the extender and wait for the power LED to turn solid blue. Connect your phone to the extender's network and then let the app locate your device. If it doesn't, try turning off cellular data, toggling Wi-Fi off and on. You can create a local password for managing the extender. Now select the 2.4 GHz host network you want to extend. Enter the Wi-Fi password of your main network and tap Next and review the network info. Optionally rename the extended network by tapping the pencil icon. Just tap Apply to save settings. Now move the extender halfway between your router and the dead zone. Wait for the signal LED to turn solid blue, and if the LED is red, it's too far. Now connect your device to the extended Wi-Fi network. It is the same password as your main network, and congratulations, your TP-Link Wi-Fi range extender is now set up and extending your network. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks like this.